Okay, Larry, we're gonna do this. Okay, here's your DIY. Right, you have 6 DIYs, which is also for 6 different zones if you wanted to. The numbers that are over here represent how many LED lights are going to work. All right, so here's 20, right? Now I'm gonna hit 42, and it goes all the way over to here now. To get this to work, it's about, I think, 80, almost 105 LED lights to get that to work all together. So if you want to do that, so we just click on this button here. Okay, you have steps. So we have 3 different steps. It goes from 1, this is the start of LED light, and here's the finish. So you have 1 through 42. Okay, so if you change this, click on this, you're on step 3, click on that, back it out, and we'll just do 105. And then you hit done, save, hit save, come on, there we go. So now the whole thing lights up and it does the color shift. Okay, so you don't want to use red, blue, and green. So this right here is blue. All right, so all you really have to do on step 3 is like, all right, I want that purple, and then you hit save. And then all of a sudden it just turns purple on you, right, for step 3. I'm going to step 2, which is right here. Okay, so step 2 is red, and I want to make that orange. And then you want to hit save. Okay, now it turns into orange as it goes through this. Now, if you look at this one, you can see there's a big delay because it's counting up to 105 LED lights and then it switches. All right, so when you do these, you want to know the LED lights in your zone. So you just have halos for now, so that's like 40, 48. So it's really easy to do those. You can, go from 1 to 48. Now, if you want to remove a color, like say I want to remove step 3. I don't want step 3 in there. Okay? So what you want to do is back everything to 0. Colors. All right, all these can just go right to 0. And then you go to step, I forgot to save it, my bad. Hold up. Done. All right, we'll save. Now, see, look, you just lost all that because now it does it. The endpoint is 28. So now you'll go right to this one, which is 2, and we'll make that 105. Done. Save. It'll blink there for a minute. There we go. And then off it goes. So now you just have 2 colors that you like, green or orange. Now you also can go back in here. Now you have different sections. So you just have on, which only do 20 LED lights. So if you do color shift but on, now you have 42 lights that are just on. All right. Then you would do flow. So flow does that, but it's only 42 lights. So the O is perfect, right? For Ohio State here, this is perfect. But for these are your wheel light LED lights. You're gonna have to do 105. So when you start playing with these in here, colors and steps, and the start and finish of pretty much of your of the lights you want to start and end. That's where you can get creative because you might at one time don't want this all to go all the way out. You only want to do it at the top. You only want your halos to go halfway. You can actually kind of make your halos one side go up, go back and forth, and the other side go back and forth. There's a lot to do. I haven't even messed with all of it. But if you break it by any chance, like say, I don't know what the heck I've done, remember to come here, go back to the main menu, click on more. Oops, wait a minute. Oops, went too far that time. Yeah, hold on, you went on the settings here. And then set factory default. Okay, so once you do that, it sets everything back to the factory default. This is also the reverse side. So this is a 6, and that's 1 down there, I believe. See how that did that? Here's 1, and I'm gonna switch it up. Now it's going back the other way. Okay, you can always add these into whenever you're creating something. All right.